What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In this video we're drawing a soldier from Roblox Piggy. Let's start this lesson at the very top of our page with the bottom edge of the helmet. We start all the way over on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that goes up in the middle and we'll bend that back down on the right side. And then from the ends we're going to draw two straight angle lines going up and in. And then we'll connect the ends with a large half circle. Let's start on the left side. Go up, so round at the top, go across, and then down on the right side. And then we'll draw the outside edge of the ears on both sides. Let's start on the top left. Just going to curve the ear going out, down, and then in. So line this up on the right and do the same thing. We're going to go out, pull this down, and then in. Now we're going to tuck the head in underneath the helmet, but we're going to leave a little overlap on the outside. So let's start on the left. We're going to step in, draw a large circle, all the way around, down towards the bottom. I'm just going to pull this out and up on the right side. And then we'll wrap the edge of the helmet going back in behind the head. Let's start on left, curve down, and then in toward the side. Now we're going to move to the center of the head and draw a large circle for the snout. We're going to start right in the middle at the very top. We're going to go out toward the left, and down and then in towards the middle. And then we'll work our way around the right side and then back up towards the top. Then we'll add two small circles for the nostrils. Let's start on the left. Draw that first circle. And then we'll line this up on the right side. Let's tuck the right eye underneath the edge of the helmet. We're going to start at the very top. It's going to curve around, in towards the snout, come down towards the bottom, and back up towards the top. And then we'll add a smaller circle on the inside edge of the eye. Let's start in here, go all the way around, down, and then back in. And then we'll fill the outside area in black. Let's go to the bottom edge of the eye, step down, draw an oval for the cheek, come down towards the bottom, and back up towards the top. Let's add that large stain across the left side of the head. We start on the left side at the very top, come down and out, and come in and then down in behind the snout. Let's go over towards the side, go out and up, come down and out, and pull that back in and down. Let's add one more bump, going up and then down. And then we'll fill that entire area, including the ear, in black. And we'll move up and fill in the ear. I also want to add a few splatters along the bottom. Let's start up here, start with a small circle, step down and draw a slightly larger circle, and we'll also fill those in black. Now let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We're going to start over on the left side, just underneath the head, curve the body going out, and then down towards the hip. Line this up on the right side, going out, and then down towards the same height. And then we'll close off the bottom, starting back on the left, curve the body coming down, and then up. And then we'll add the belt and suspenders. Let's start on the left side. We're going to step up, draw that same curve, coming down the middle, and then up on the right. And then we'll add two thick suspenders on either side. From the top of the body, we're going to step in just underneath the head. Draw a straight line coming all the way down. Do the same thing on the right side. Now we're going to step in and draw another line on either side. Let's go back to the center, step down, draw a curve from left to right, going up and then down. And then leaving a small gap in the center, let's go over towards the left side, curve the leg going out and down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start from the left heel, curve the foot coming down and up towards the toes. Let's round out the top of the feet. Starting from the left side, we're going to curve up. Just going to bend this down, aiming towards the heel. We're going to leave a gap on the inside. And then we'll go back up to the hips and draw on the outside of the leg. Let's start from the left hip, curve the leg going out, and then down on top of the foot. Let's draw the edge of the boot. From the top of the foot, we're going to step up, curve down, and then up. Line this up on the right. And then we'll move up and draw the bottom edge of the shorts. Starting back on the left, draw that same curve. Moving down and up on the inside. Line this up. Now we're going to move back up and draw on the arms. Let's start with the arm on the left holding the dagger. From the top of the body, we're going to step up underneath the head, curve the arm coming down, and then out towards the wrist. And then from the wrist, we're going to curl the thumb around. We're going to go up, then the thumb coming down, round up the tip of the thumb, and then pull that back up. And then we'll wrap 3 fingers around the handle. Starting from the side of the thumb, we'll draw a half oval, going out, and then in. Let's come down towards the bottom, do that again. Going out, in, and then up underneath the thumb. Let's add 1 more finger. Let's go back up to the top of the hand and draw 2 straight lines, going up toward the end of the handle, and close this off with a straight line. Now we come down towards the bottom finger, and go down and out on either side, and close this off with a straight line. Then from the left corner of the hilt, we're going to step in, let's draw a straight line coming down towards the tip of the knife, and we'll pull this out and then back up on the right side. Bending that up. Let's move up to the top of the wrist. We curve the palm coming in, and we'll bend that out in behind the handle. And then from here, we're going to step up, curve the arm coming in and up in behind the body. Let's line up the inside of the arm all the way over on the right side. Curve the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. And then from the wrist, we're going to draw a half circle for the thumb. Let's close off the end with a bracket. And again, we're going to draw 3 fingers on the right side. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, come down, bend the first finger going up around the bracket, step down, go out and up, and then the third finger, we're going to go out, bend the arm coming up, and then in underneath the head. And then finally, we'll separate the cuff, starting from the top of the thumb, we go out, and then bend that up. And that's pretty much it. There's Soldier from Roblox Piggy. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.